So, you're thinking about diving into the world of micro-investing with Acorns, huh? That's awesome. But, hold on a second. Before you commit to this digital piggy bank, let's talk about the elephant in the room, fees. Specifically, how much does Acorns charge to transfer your hard-earned cash? Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't micro-investing all about small amounts? Absolutely. But those small amounts can add up over time, and so can the fees. So, let's break it down. First off, let's clear something up. Acorns doesn't charge a fee for every single transfer you make. That would be ridiculous, right? But they do have a few different fee structures, and it can get a bit confusing. So, here's the deal. Acorns offers a few different account types, and the fees vary depending on which one you choose. The basic account is free, but there are limitations. You can only invest spare change, and there's a limit on how much you can transfer manually. If you want to take things to the next level, you can upgrade to Acorns Personal, which comes with a monthly fee. With this plan, you can invest larger amounts and get some extra perks, like portfolio management and tax loss harvesting. But, here's the kicker, there's usually no fee for transferring funds within this plan. Now, let's talk about the Acorns Found and Acorns Later accounts. These are geared towards long-term savings, like retirement or college. Again, there are monthly fees associated with these plans, but typically, transfers between your bank account and these accounts are fee-free. But wait, there's more. Acorns also offers a feature called external account linking. This allows you to link your bank account to Acorns and automatically invest a set amount on a recurring basis. The good news is, there's usually no fee for this service either. However, it's important to note that while Acorns itself might not charge transfer fees, your bank might. So, always check with your bank to see if there are any outgoing transfer fees on their end. Alright, so we've covered the basics of Acorns transfer fees. But what about those pesky hidden costs? Well, as with any investment platform, there are other fees to consider. For example, there's the account management fee, which is deducted from your account balance on a monthly basis. And then there are the investment fees, which are charged by the underlying funds in your portfolio. So, while Acorns might not hit you with transfer fees, it's essential to consider all the costs involved to get a clear picture of how much your investments are really costing you. To sum it up, Acorns generally doesn't charge fees for transferring funds between your linked bank account and your Acorns investment accounts. However, it's crucial to understand the different account types and their associated fees. And don't forget to check with your bank about potential outgoing transfer fees. Remember, fees can eat into your returns over time, so it's important to shop around and compare different investment platforms. And while Acorns can be a great option for many people, it might not be the best fit for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.